Do you need a minimalist logo that makes your brand or business stand out from the competition? Make your logo one they'll never forget. I'm here to design a professional logo that is sure to impress. How will we do this? First, you'll clearly and precisely tell me about your initial vision for the perfect logo. Please include reference images, sketches, and any information that helps me understand what you are looking for. Based on the given information, I will create several initial design proposals, depending on the package you select. Then, after you've picked the one proposal you like best, I can make needed adjustments to make sure the final design of your logo turns out to be extraordinary. So, why should you choose me for your logo design? There's zero risk. If you aren't 100% satisfied, your money will be refunded. All of my packages include high-quality images and source files. Get unlimited reviews and basic 2D animation, or the social media kit with the premium package and more. Much more. It's time to give your brand a unique and incredible identity. Contact me today to get started. Only on Fiverr.